Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on how we can set up waypoints in Google Maps Extended. So let's get started. Okay, so let's just reload the page and see how it looks initially. And initially it's showing me the location of Pakistan. And if I set start location as these and search for maps. Okay, now it's showing me the whole list of places all around Pakistan. So if you see, it's starting from Peshawar, the start location, and then going through these location one by one. The second location, the first location, and the final is here. So how can we do this in Google Maps Extended? So for this, first of all, in extensions, install this Google Maps Extended. Just search for maps and you will find this Google Maps Extended. And the second thing we will need is this API keys. So set up all of these API keys over here from start to end. Set up all the keys. After setting up this whole keys and the maps, what you will need is a workflow. So come to the page and set up this workflow on click as first of all reset the maps extended and select the map, and the second one is directions map extended. The direction map extended is the one that will show the waypoints, and also it will show you can start with the origin address and the destination address. So it's the starting address and the ending address for you. Origin can be current location and the destination can be anywhere you want to go. And then we have the waypoints list. So the waypoint list can be anything. You can make it like search for all the locations anywhere available inside your database. For now I have packages with locations, so I have set this up with the packages with each item's locations, and keep the rest the same, nothing else change. And after this whole setup, on the click, if I reload the page, initially it shows me the default. So the default is set to current geographical position and the zoom is equal to 4. So because of the zoom, it's showing Pakistan as the main country here. And if I mention the start location, it picks up the start location from over here and then starts showing me the location from this point. This is the A point. The all the deliveries start from over here, and the user can start this optimized route from going over here to one by one locations, like this location, and the final location. So this is how we can set up waypoints using map extended in bubble.io. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.